Let's say I want to get this data out of Gigasheet and into another product. Easiest way to do that is with a download. I just come here to File, Download, and Export CSV. I can split this into multiple CSVs if I wanted to. If I wanted to break up a 100,000 row result into 10,000 row results, I can do that. But in this case, I'm just going to press Export CSV, and you're going to see that there's this Export in Progress modal that shows up. I can close that, and it will eventually actually bring up a link directly to that export. As you can see here, it worked. Your export is ready. I could just click here to download. When you download a CSV, what you see on the screen is what you get. So the rows that you have filtered to, the columns that you have made visible, when I press download there, it's going to download that, and I'm going to be able to open it and see specifically the file that I exported out of Gigasheet. I can now take this data and put it into whatever application I need.